Hey, dude, how's it been going?
Great, man. Say, I have the application for that 30-year term plan we talked about in my car.
Oh, I've been meaning to talk to you about that. My financial advisor helped me design a plan that fits much better and saved me some bucks.
How's that? I searched the market for the best price.
He called it a laddered approach. He pointed out to me that in 20 years, when the house is paid off, the kids are gone and I don't have as long to work before retirement, I will not need so much coverage.
Yeah, but you need a bunch now.
But that is just the point. By using something called Term Riders from Legal & General America's Banner Life, we can have a lot of coverage now and have layers drop off when Rainbow and Zydeco finish school and leave home. We just have a base layer when Heather and I are on our own again.
I did not even know such a plan existed. I searched everything on my Pipex quoting software.
My man, Tim, said you can only quote it with their proprietary software. He said most agents don't know about it because they are too reliant on, what did he call them? Restrictive quoting engines.
I will have to check it out. I am sure I can get you the same deal.
Sorry, man, but you did not do the work. I know you're Heather's favorite brother, but you have to do more than punch some data into a restrictive quoting engine to earn our business. By the way, what do you think about Legal & General America offering MediGuide Second Opinion for free?
What is MediGuide?
Wow, dude. I rest my case.